Max Plus, the classic, the shoes that was made for the culture. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 pairs of Air Max Plus that will blow your mind. Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenemsko. And without too much talking, let's get into the video. So yeah, I got the laptop here, but goddamn, I ain't got no contacts, so I'm gonna need my glasses. Number one on this list here is the Air Max Plus Premium. You know what I'm saying? The thing that I like the most about this here is that is them that zebra looking aspect with the blue. You know what I'm saying? It's so nice. Like it's literally a blend of the Air Max Deluxe and obviously the Nike Air Max Plus. You know what I'm saying? It's like a baby, bro. Look at this nice little. You see, you can tell by the side that it's got the Air Max Deluxe pattern on it, but then it's got the, you know what I'm saying, the things on the side. You know what I mean? That let you know that raw, this is Air Max Plus, and I just like the way the color pattern is. You know what I mean? The way the colors are displayed, like it's really a beautiful shoe. This pair of Air Max was released on February 9th, 2019, and you can find it at a retail price of $180. Okay. Number two, this pair I just find it so cool. You know what I'm saying? It's none other than Drizzy Drake. You know what I'm saying? Lover boy that made this pair. You know what I mean? And literally, this is a custom pair that was for his. So guess how I called them? The Drizzy Drake Air Max Custom. You know what I'm saying? What am I gonna say? Gotta make a name for it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the name I made. Actually, obviously, I ain't no price. It's Drizzy Drake. Come on, this guy got his own island. So what do you want? You know what I'm saying? This is probably like 10,000. Who knows? Basically, as you know, or you probably don't know, in the UK, the Air Max, the TNs, or the Vapor Max Plus, we call them TNs in the UK. It's a big part of the gram culture. You know what I'm saying? Especially, you know what I'm saying, like people that live in the hood and that, you know what I'm saying, we love them things, you know what I'm saying, we love them crips, you know what I'm saying. So it is what it is. All I know is that in South we love them, you know what I'm saying. I just love my TMs, you know what I'm saying. I love them. Drake shows love to the culture, you know what I'm saying. But sometimes, you know, Drake is a culture vulture, so it is what it is, man. Number three, I really mess with number three. It's called Nike Air Max Plus Corduroy. The thing I like the most about these is the multicolored pattern, especially on the bottom part. In the section between this part and this part, there's a multicolor type looking thing on my days, and the Nike swoosh and the part where the lace is, oh my god, it's so beautiful, and at the same time it's simple and beautiful. Like I've never seen this pair in the shop, do you know what I mean? So yeah, my man was blown, man. Okay. All I know is that this pair is coming in 2021. Do you know what I'm saying? And the retail price will be $160, man. No cap. As soon as they come out, I'm cuffing them. I'm gonna do a review. Number 4. So number 4. This one is a little collab between Nike and goddamn Supreme. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it is what it is, man. No cap, I'm 4am, gang, bang, nigga. So that pair, do you know what it reminds of? Never mind. All I know is that I like the color pattern on it, you know what I'm saying? These, would I rock them? Yeah, I'll definitely rock them because it's nice. It's out of the box, but it's not too in your face out of the box. Do you get what I'm saying? It's kind of in your face, but it's not as in your face as some other preps. It's called Supreme X Nike Air Max Plus. it was released on fall 2020, and the retail price is, I don't know, bro. I don't know. But all I know is that these shoes get there and they're gonna be expensive, bro. You know what I'm saying? Numero 5. Number 5. Nike Air Max Plus. I don't know the name. I ain't gonna call them Volcano, but I'm gonna call them Volcano 2.0. Volcano 2.0. That's what I'm finna call them. That's what I'm finna call this one. You know what I'm saying? So these Yo guys, if you're interested in designer durags, designer face mask, and other designer accessories that are not really available, man's got you, fam. Just go to Swag Rag, swipe up, or click the link in the description depending on where you are. You can get whatever you want. Durags, face mask, headbands. Just use my code Tenemsko 7 for both man them and gal them. You know what I'm saying? Volcano's 2.0. Basically, to me, it's like it's an alternative. It's an alternative. It's an alternative to the. It's an alternative to the Vapor Max Volcano. You know what I'm saying? Air Max Plus Volcano. You know what I'm saying? It's less bright. It's got the same type of pattern. I feel like this is like the reverse of the Volcano thing, if you get what I'm saying. If you look at the Volcano and you look at this, it's like they reverse the color, and I like this more because it's beautiful, but at the same time it's not too in your face. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah. So this shoe is probably, I could be wrong, it's probably not out, but the retail price is £160. Number 6, you feel me? 6. Nike Air Max Plus spray, baby. You get what I'm saying? The Nike Air Max Plus spray, fam. This shoe looks like it came back from the future, baby. You get what I'm saying? Like, this shoe is listen, I ain't gonna cap, I ain't gonna front. This shoe hard, man. You know what I'm saying? This shoe real hard, no cap for, and I don't know what we got going on. She got me going crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? That's that hit I'm talking about, man. You know what I'm saying? No cap. So the thing I like the most about this, it's just the simplicity of it. Do you know what I mean? It's a Nike Air Max Plus, but it doesn't have certain elements of it. And I like the way the black is faded from the. It's like someone put some graffiti on it on the top, but it's done so nicely, like. And the shoe looks like it came from space or something. I need to cop these when I come back to London. Like, bro, fam, nah, fam. I'm not even having this one. No cap. I need to get them. I need to cut me up and get them. So for these Air Max Plus, the retail price will be $160. Wherever you find them, if I got the link, you know what I'm saying, I'll try to bless you and put that in the description. Number 7. The Nike Air Max Plus like alcohol, bro. I don't even know how they're called, but the shell looks so nice. Like these shoes here, they look like, again, it looks like it came from space, but not from a spaceship that was made by men, but from like an alien technology. You get what I'm saying? I love the purple part on the bottom, you know what I'm saying, and I love the metallic blue. You know what I'm saying? It gives a certain effect. For this pair, the release date was March 2019, and you can find them at a retail price of $160. Number 8, I don't know why I feel like I've seen these, but I'm most definitely tripping. But I feel like I've seen them, but I know I'm tripping deep down. But maybe I'm not tripping. The Nike Air Max Plus 97. Basically, it's a blend of Nike Air Max 97 and Air Max Plus. You know what I'm saying? They had a baby together. What do you want to say? You know what I'm saying? They had a baby, and that's the pair. Got $170. Number 9. This is where shit starts to get crazy, man. Here. You see this pair? Let me be 100. Let me be 100. Maybe 100 for some honesty, you guys. I ain't never rocking this pair for. You know what I'm saying? Actually, maybe I would when I get rich. I feel like it's actually beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like a thing, like a nice gal with big back and everything. You know, the back is too big, the face is too nice, and it's too much attention. Obviously, when you're a real G like me, you don't care for me. You work with the baddest gal, you know what I'm saying? You don't care for me.
Shut the fuck up. God damn, nigga.
We're gonna... Hey, amigo. Drum rolls. Who on the goddamn drum rolls? Number 10. 10. This kid. Seis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 10.
That don't make no sense.
Nike Air Max Plus SE. That pair is a banger. It's coming real soon to the UK. Look at the upper part. Look at the Nike that's written at the side of it. Look at the swoosh and look at the definition. Look at the pattern, the zebra pattern. So tight. That's on the side. It's so beautiful, and it's got that typical Air Max. It's like when I see this, it's like a living skin. You know what I'm saying? It's moving like a baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is what you call, you know, in French, you call Air Max Plus.
Air Max requin. Les frères.
It means Air Max Shark. You know what I'm saying? Look at the white version of these as well. They're also nice. They're so plain. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Everything will be in the link down in the description. Go check out my previous reviews and stuff like that. I'm not going to be uploading as much because I've started my masters. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. And the true reason why I'm wearing a mask is because I had a little operation and I got so many bandages and stuff. So I don't want to make it. You know what I'm saying? I want to keep the drip. You feel me?